recording because we're at EPCOT today and we're gonna walk around with these glasses. Old man Disney over here at EPCOT. No Albert today. He's getting ready for a trip to New Jersey. We got the new Meta smart glasses right here. So I figured I'd bring my kid, wife, and her friend, and we're gonna see if these glasses are worth it. And then would they really be cool to come to a theme park with if your hands are full with a kid? Let's find out. There you go. Good job. I'm walking under the ball. You're riding. Hit it with your head. Oh, 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 oh no! Oh, stop! You used magic! Ah! Oh, you did it again! Is that cool? Oh no, here we go! Oh my God! There's Donald, Asher. We're at Stefanito. Your turn, Asher. He said, yeah. He said, I'll do it. Yeah. What? It farted, yes. Do you like that restaurant?
Would you go back?
Kaboomies! Kaboomies! You crashed! Oh no! Oh no! Oh. What? Yeah. You're a pirate? That means our pirates. That's good. Alright, Meta glasses. This day we had theme park with Asher, Daddy, my wife, and her friend. Highly recommend these glasses. The battery lasted pretty much all day. I was at 30%. I was at 30% at lunch. Charged it up. Definitely would take these again on a vacation. Very nice. My kid wants to see that what I'm recording. Is that you? Say hi, people.
Hi, people.
Hi, people of the internet.
Hi, people of the internet.
This is Old Man Disney.
The Old Man Disney.
That's right. Like, subscribe. Meta glasses, highly recommend them. They're cool, especially if you need to record something really fast. Boom, done. And the kid doesn't freeze up. All right? Say bye.